Hey everyone, this is Dawn Marie here, and I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So I have my second card now for my monthly hero card kit, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp that out. I'm showing you my supplies here. And I'm going to Copic color it. So there's the markers I use, but I will have it listed in on my blog post. So I'm going to take the Gina K Amalgam ink, and I'm going to pick a mug. Actually, it's a coffee cup more than a mug, but stamp that out with some steam coming out of it. I hope everybody's doing good today. It's dreary here. We were supposed to have thunderstorms, but nothing happened, which is good because my dogs are scared to death of it. One of them gets like catatonic almost. I probably should get some medication for him because he gets nervous over every single thing that happens. Yesterday, one of them, I was saying in the video, I think it was yesterday, when I made the video on the winner for the drawing. Yesterday, one of my dogs bit me. My female dog, my Shih Tzu. She bit me, so we had a little altercation, me and her. So because I was angry, I kind of talked to her with anger. I was like, I'm gonna kill you or something. I don't know what I said, but I was mad. Anyway, my other one was upset. He got upset. He gets upset whenever I have me and my other dog, Crazy, we have a altercation, which it's frequent, not frequent, but enough. She needs an attitude adjustment. That's what she needs. She's such a crab sometimes. Anyway, he gets all freaky about it. So he went under the bed, and I was trying to get him to leap out from under the bed, which is how this all started. I was trying to do a voiceover, and I didn't want the dogs to bark. So I was trying to get them out of the bedroom. And she wouldn't go. She bit me, and then he ended up hiding under the bed, and he didn't want to go. He was growling at me, which he never does, but he was so upset over it all. So anyway, that's my drama for the week. Hopefully it's for the week. I had the cable guy out here today because like I said, I've been having internet trouble. And I've had the cable guy out like 3 times now. And we also swapped our box out, our modem out. And to no avail. The guy changed out my wires the first time, certain wires. Then he came back out and he changed out the other wire that goes directly to the modem. Then this guy came out and he changed out 2 outlets he said would interfere. The RF signal was interfering with the internet. I don't know, whatever. He changed it and then he left, and about, 5 minutes later the internet went out again. So I don't think it's fixed yet still. It basically, what happens is from like say 8 o'clock in the morning to like 2 in the afternoon, I have intermittent signal, which I basically have, the signal works when it wants to work, So after that is when I can do anything on the internet. Before that, no, not too much. Anyway, I Copic colored, which you knew I was going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and assemble. Now I'm sorry, I have my pattern paper already cut down. I had lost the footage for that. I don't know what happened to it, but all I did was use a stitch scallop edge die, border die from Pretty Pink Posh, and I cut that out, and then I tied the ribbon from the kit around it, and that's it. I haven't even glued it down or nothing yet. That's all I did differently. So I'm going to take the sentiment. I chose what did I choose? Thanks a whole latte, yeah, and I'm stamping it with Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue that panel down. As soon as I manage to get this stamped completely out, I'm going to go ahead and glue that panel down. and make sure that the bow doesn't move. I'll take a glue dot and secure my bow so it doesn't move. But I guess I already did that, glued it down. I didn't even notice I was doing that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pop this up with Ream Scotch foam tape. Pop the cup up on my card. I didn't have the heart stamped out originally. I forgot to do it, and then I had Copic colored it all in, and I was like, darn. But I ended up stamping it anyway on it. I took a chance, and then I colored it in. It colored in okay. So that worked out alright. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue the steam above it. Pretty simple card. Just went for clean and simple this time. There's already so many cards been done. I do have another card I'm planning on doing with the kids still. Haven't given up on it yet. I'm pretty sure somebody's already done this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Everybody has their own way of doing things, right? So either way. So now I'm taking some Nouveau crystal drops in copper penny, and I'll go ahead and put a few of those on there. I don't think I showed it on here, but I did take some Nouveau pen and put it on the steam and the coffee inside the cup. I think I don't think that's on the video. I think I did it after the fact. You know, because I can't have a card without any shimmer on it. So I'm going ahead and I'm tapping the card to flatten the drops out so they're more like enamel dots. I like it that way. And that's basically my card. So I hope you liked it. I know it was just a simple card, but I hope you did like it. Please like and subscribe. All the things that I use will be in the description below the video, and as well as on my blog post. I do have a corresponding blog post. Okay? I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.